Hello all and welcome back to this concept fundamentals of computer networking. So in this class we are going to understand something special. In last class we will understood a network weapon which is ping command. We use ping command to communicate to test the connectivity between two computers. In this class we are going to understand what happens exactly when we ping, but before going to that topic I'm going to introduce one software called Wireshark. Wireshark. See, this class is fully dedicated to Wireshark. So we will understand this software and what is this software and how this software will be helpful for some other benefits. So I will use some website link to show you what is Wireshark and how the Wireshark can be used in a company environment. So we will have a small setup. As you know that I will move to my setup. I will go here. I already have one virtual machine, 5 VMs. I will switch on that VM1. I will connect. So this is going to be my computer which to run Wireshark. Before entering Wireshark, let me ask you something. When I ping from computer 1, okay, VM1, when I ping to computers VM2 IP address, I hope you remember in last class we were using 10.0.0.10 IP address, 10.0.0.20 IP address for each one, 10.10 for VM1, 10.20 for VM2. When I go to VM1, I start pinging to 10.0.0.20. What happens? There is something will go from the computer and something will come from the destination. So some packets will go, some packets will come. I already mentioned you these packets are originated by ICMP. Before ICMP, ARP should come. What is ARP? We have to understand. And I was telling you the relation between IP address and MAC address. So ARP will come, ICMP will come, IP, MAC address, everything will comes under into picture for communication. When you ping, all these things happen. How can I prove that? How can I prove what happens in the back end, particularly from VM1, what it will go, from VM2, what VM2 will send. If I want to show all this, I need one software called Wireshark. Not only Wireshark, we have lot of softwares here, but Wireshark is one of the most widely used software for network troubleshooting, analyzing the packets. We can say it's a network packet analyzer. It's a best word terminology to say what is Wireshark. It's a analyzer, packet analyzer. We will use this Wireshark in many of our topics in the playlist. I think I have already Wireshark in this computer. I will go to this computer. I have one partition E. In that partition I have one software called Wireshark Win64. So Wireshark is a setup file. I will go for installation. I'm installing this Wireshark now. So I am proceeding with all the default values. Wireshark and all the plugins and necessary tools will be installed, including Wireshark. I leave all the default values. I am not going to change anything, and it will install the dependent softwares which is necessary for Wireshark. It will install automatically. We don't want to do anything. We have to wait until it finish. So rather than pausing this video, I will go to my browser. I will show you something. What is Wireshark? We can search like this. I have already gone through this website. This is a Wireshark website. This will give a clear picture. And you just go to Google, search what is Wireshark, and open the first link, the website. that gives a clear picture what is Wireshark here. If you see here, I think font may small now. Wireshark is a network packet analyzer. A network packet analyzer presents captured packet data in as much as detail in possible, which means so it is going to be a capture the packet data as much detail as possible. Okay, so it could think of network packet analyzer as measuring device for examining what happening inside the network cable. See, they clearly mentioned, just like an electrician uses voltmeter for examine what happening inside the electric cable. No, you understand, the electrician will use the voltmeter to see what's happening in the cable. Similarly, electric cable, Wireshark will capture and analyze and tells you what's happening in the network cable. You understand, they are talking about electric cable, we are going to do something about in network cable. So in the past, such tools were either very expensive or proprietary tools. Like means if you use one vendor tool, we can use only in that vendor products. So here Wireshark is open source. Wireshark is available for free, open source, and it's the best packet analyzer available today. So who can use, why people use this Wireshark? Network administrator use to troubleshoot network problems. Network security engineers use it examine security problems. Quality assurance is not question and answer. Quality assurance engineers use it to verify network application. See, I could have typed all this sentence in my notepad and tell you something like I have written, but I don't want to do all that. No, I just wanted to show as it is what is there in the website. If you find it website, then you can go and read it. You don't want to watch this video. Now developers use it debug protocol for implementation. Then people use it to learn network protocol. See, VA belongs to this category. I can create a separate playlist for Wireshark. I can do it later, but I'm not going to promise anything. But Wireshark is vast subject. I can go with a separate playlist. But as of now, this topic we use Wireshark. I'm just introducing this software Wireshark here. You just understand. You start using it, and slowly we will understand. And I would like to mention one of our one of our group member has asked what is Wireshark in our group, in our Telegram group. You can find a link in the Telegram group in the video description. You join the group so that you can be a part of the member of the group. If you are a member, then thank you. There are some features available on Wireshark. So this Wireshark available for Unix and Windows based operating systems. Capture live package data from network interfaces. Open files containing packets. You can read all this, see, I am not here to read the line and tell, but I am just showing you these are the benefits by highlighting something. This is how packets Wireshark look like. We will see now. We will see today. So live packet capture, import files, export files, many protocol, open source. Wireshark is not what Wireshark is not intrusion detection system. Okay, it will not detect the hack attack. No, it is not that kind of powerful tool to identify the hack attack packets. That's what they are saying. I hope you got some idea about Wireshark. You can use this link wireshark.org. I will come back here. Let's see what happens to the Wireshark. I think license agreement, agree. It is still in progress installation. Some tool is need to be installed. Let it go. I will pause this video for some time. So this Wireshark has been successfully installed. Finish. I can go and start. I can see the Wireshark, shark, shark mark. Wire means cable, Wireshark. Good name, no? See, when you open Wireshark, it will ask, boss, Wireshark has to bind your interface. Okay, you are in one virtual machine VM1. You wanted to use this Wireshark in the same computer. So if you want to use it, you have to bind this Wireshark on the Ethernet. Okay, this is the interface I have in my NIC card. Let me search like this: ncpa.cpl command. I can open the network connections. You can see here. See, this is a Ethernet interface I have. I am binding the Wireshark analyzer to this interface. Double click. Now whatever traffic sending through this interface, it will be captured. Whatever traffic receiving from this interface, that will be captured. So shall we go with a small test? So what I will do, I will go to check what IP address I have right now. Under command prompt, IP config of virtual machine 1 10.0.0.10, which means I am in this computer. I installed the Wireshark in this computer. I am going to ping 10.0.0.20, which is 20. I know, let me go here first. Pinging 10.0.0.20. okay, 20. Before ping starts, see, I started already. I started the capture is already going on. When I start pinging, no, you see here, enter. See, some packets are going, some packets are sending. What's happening here? That's all. You see here, 10.10 destination host unreachable. You know what I said? I know this computer, which one, that 10.0.2 computer, 10.0.0.20 computer is not switched on. Okay, I know that very well. So even though I ping to show what's happening in the backend, that's what the Wireshark, right? Wireshark will tells you what's happening in the background, whether ICMP will generate or not, which protocol will generate, to identify whether the computer is on or not. Let me go here, let me confirm. You see, 10.0.0.20 machine is off state. When the virtual machine is in off state, then I start pinging. I will zoom it by pressing Ctrl+ button in the keyboard. See what's happening. When I try to ping, ICMP supposed to come. Okay, when I try to ping to this 10.0.20, ICMP supposed to come, but ICMP didn't come. ARP is coming. ARP is coming here. ARP is a protocol. See, ARP is a protocol to identifying. ARP is shouting here, hello boss, 10.20. Who is 10.20 in the network? If you are 10.20, I am 10.10. ARP is shouting here to identify the MAC address of destination PC. See, when you ping, is supposed to bring ICMP. ICMP has to go. To ICMP has to go means you have to know the MAC address. Okay, for knowing MAC address, ARP will come. But see, with the help of Wireshark, we can identify not only ICMP is helping to ping, ARP is also helping to ping. You got it? See, there is no ICMP. Why? Because ARP request sent, ARP response didn't get. Why ARP response didn't get? The virtual machine is stop state. Now what I will do, I will start this VM2 I will start now. Let's wait for a few seconds, it will come up. Meanwhile, if you are a Tamil audience, for you this line is for you, especially for Tamil audience. See, I am creating one playlist for fundamentals of cloud computing. That will be very helpful for you to study any cloud. So please go and watch that playlist completely from class 1 to till whatever number, because I am currently doing many classes. So go through all the videos, and I'm preparing one question bank, one exam bank in my website, huzefai.com website. Very soon the bank will be, question bank will be ready, so you can go and test yourself, mock tests yourself by using that question bank. That may very helpful for you. It is all the question banks absolutely free, no cost, no money, no nothing. You just wanted to go self test. So now I mean it is in basic stage only, I mean starting stage. Once it is ready, I will bring you that in front of you, so that you can utilize for, especially Tamil people can understand the playlist. Why? Because I did that whole playlist in the Tamil language only. This is the only video series I am doing in English, because many students requested to do this English. So once I finish this English playlist, I will do the same topics in Tamil also. Now what I will do, I have this computer VM2 ready now. I will type ipconfig 10.0.20. I will go back. See, I will go back and I will stop capture and I will start it again. It is asking to save the previous capture. I say don't save anything. I start ping again 10.20. Now you can see some data. See, ICMP, some request came, ARP request, ARP respond, then ICMP request reply, request reply, request reply. See, request is going, reply is coming, request going, reply coming. 4 requests will go, 4 reply will come. You understand? But some ARP is coming here. What is ARP? What ARP is doing? Who is ARP? What is the relation between ARP and ICMP? Why ARP is coming? Why it is resolving MAC address? We will understand these things in the next class. I will make this a very short class because I have some work today. So I will take one more class. Next class I will explain very clearly how ARP works, how ICMP works, and I use Wireshark in a better way to show particularly when ARP comes, when ICMP comes, what is the relation between ICMP and ARP, and what is the relation between MAC address and IP address. Next class will be a very lengthy topic. Right now I don't have time, that's why I'm making in a short session. So definitely I will take a complete session on ARP ICMP. If you feel this is a good subject, if you are learning something, you can share this playlist, not only video. You can share the playlist to the anyone who are willing to learn networking from basics, so that they can also learn and grow. That's all. It is not you are just helping them to understand. That's all. So thank you all. See you in the next class. Bye.